What is up, you guys? Today is Vlogmas Day 14. Happy Vlogmas Day 14. I'm standing outside. It's not really cold out here. It's not too cold. It's wet, but it's not raining and it's not too cold and it's not snow. I'm waiting for Sexy Face to get here to pick me up, and that's about it. I am definitely not cooking today. You know, I might make some potatoes, some more potatoes from dinner last night, because JJ loves them. So I think that's what I'm gonna make, some more potatoes for him. The potatoes that I made last night for dinner. But other than that, I am not doing anything. I am getting my rest tonight. I got like 4 hours of sleep last night, so I'm like super tired. Super tired. So I think today I'm just gonna relax and chill. I kind of wanted to have a date night. I wanted to go out somewhere. I had some place in mind, but I might just do it tomorrow, maybe, if I'm not too tired. But today I'm extremely tired. Like, my body's achy, I'm exhausted. I hear my voice going in and out, so I hope I'm not getting a cold, which typically around this time of the year I do get a cold. And I didn't get the flu shot. Everybody else in the house got the flu shot but me, and I'm not sure if I should go get it or not, but I feel it in my chest and everything. So, and I feel super drained. So maybe I am getting a cold, maybe I'm not, but let's just hope that I'm not getting a cold. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday and the end of the work week for some, but the beginning of the work week for some. But most of all, it's Friday. TGIF, right? But anyways, I am just gonna sit here and wait for Sexy Face to get here and chill. Thank God it's not raining. What?
I need your help.
Well,
The internet.
huh?
The internet.
What's wrong with it?
It keeps turning. It keeps turning off.
It's something with the internet, because my phone keeps doing it too. It's that damn Comcast. So hey, you guys, I've been home for a while. I didn't vlog much at all today. I really feel like I'm getting sick. Like, I have the worst headache. I feel like I have a chest cold. It's just horrible. JJ was hungry, so and all he wanted was potatoes and green beans. So I literally made him some more potatoes with cheese. My famous cheese potatoes. And green beans. Like, he literally doesn't really eat meat. He's not a big meat eater, so I made that for him. And I'm gonna eat just a little bit myself. Sexy Face didn't eat her food from last night, so she ate that. And now she's knocked out. She's literally knocked out. But y'all, I really feel like I'm getting sick. I do not feel good. Yeah. She knocked out, y'all. Ignore the headboard. That was from, like, I had a headband or something in my head, and it started scraping the headboard. And after a while, it started peeling. So now, gotta work on getting a new headboard. I found one that I want, that I like. I just gotta work on getting it. But y'all, I'm really gonna have to cut this vlog short. This is gonna be like the shortest day 14 vlogmas ever. But I'm gonna just combine the two, 14 and 15 together. And I am about to lay down and call it a day, because I really don't feel good. And I will resume tomorrow. So I hope you guys understand. It don't matter, because I only have a handful of subscribers right now. But that's okay. I still want to be consistent and, you know, share content. So, you guys, I'm about to eat something real quick and take some Sudafed to see if I can get rid of this pressure headache and the cold that I feel forming in my chest. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So, happy Vlogmas Day 14, okay? Hey, you guys! Vlogmas Day 15! How's everything going with you guys? Me, it's been cool. It is Saturday. I did work today. Put in that OT. for the Yoti. But Angel, come here. But other than that, you guys, today has been a good day. See Angel? You see Angel? See Angel? Yes, see Angel. Hi, Angel. So y'all, I am about to curl Granny hair for her. Playing with Angel. You need a bath, Angel.
I knew she was gonna run.
Angel, you stinky stink. Angel's getting a bath. Angel! It's bath time. Yes, dogs need baths.
Oh, cup. Give me a cup.
A regular cup.
Calling you or something.
Granny, you calling me or are you calling Tiff?
Not you. Take this up from the
Take what up?
Yeah.
Huh?
My coffee.
Your coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to grab you a cup real quick, Tiff?
Yeah, I need a cup so I can rinse her off. Yeah.
Right here. Here, where do you want me to grab, Granny? Where it go?
Here.
Huh? The spray?
Put on the phone and my coffee.
Where's the coffee?
Right here.
Oh. You been shopping again, Granny?
What?
I see your fingernail polish and stuff.
Yeah. They want to order last week. I bought lunch.
Oh, the
WBC Super Welterweight Champ
$3.
Charlotte. I care less about fighting second, third, last, no matter as long as I get in there and do what I gotta do. In the main event, Willie Monroe Jr. taking on Jamal Charlo. There's no pressure on me. There's no pressure on my brother. Your dentist.
So yeah, you guys, I am about to curl her hair real quick. I need to wash and do something to my hair. I wore my natural hair out today. I just took the braids out of the now when you have it braided up from the wig, I just took that out. And then I slicked it down with some good old edge control. But I ain't doing nothing fancy. I think I'm gonna co-wash it today and replat it back up for the wig. And then probably next weekend do the same thing. So other than that, today is one of them days I didn't do much. I wanted to go out, have a date night with Sexy Face. We may still go, we may not. It all depends on how I feel. But if not, we'll do a date tomorrow. So let's do a date tomorrow if we don't go out tonight. Look at Angel. She's such a big baby. She got a bath. Now she about to get trimmed. Look at what she doing, y'all, after her bath.
I didn't hurt her. She didn't have from this time.
She trying to dry herself off.
It's a little red, but I didn't. It's fine. It just seemed like she couldn't poop.
Angel, what are you doing?
She got constipated or something.
You missing a bowl.
You hear me? She probably couldn't poop because there was so much stuff on there. I don't see how she went to the bathroom.
You need another bowl.
What? Red. Alright, well, let me do this. I got it. Let me take it off.
She just had a bath and she trying to dry herself off. Angel, what are you doing?
I got you. I'm gonna clean it all up. I got you. Go ahead.
We need to get you some new bowls.
Good. I got it. Okay?
Hey guys, so I made it home. It is like 8:03. It's late and I'm starving. So I am about to fry me some chicken legs. I know it's late, but I'm hungry. I haven't ate since lunch, so I am about to fix a late dinner. Fry me some chicken legs and make some french fries to go with it. And call it a dinner. A late dinner, but it's a dinner. So let me find some seasoning. I usually season my chicken with, and one thing some people might find weird is I use regular seasons. I'm going to use that Tony's Treacherous, I don't know how you pronounce it. Just a little cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of seasoning salt, because I balance out the seasoning salt with the Tony Churchers. And I use, do I have any? I do, and it's all the way up there. Hold on, y'all. Short girl problems. As I was saying, the seasonings that I use to season my chicken when I make fried chicken is seasoning salt, cayenne pepper, Tony, this I can't pronounce it, onion powder and garlic powder, and a chipotle. I use one of these for color. And I also, and this is not for flavor, it doesn't change the flavor or give it a special taste, but I use oh, I just can't get it up. I take hot sauce, oh that's mustard, hot sauce and mustard, and I put it on the chicken, the raw chicken, because it makes the chicken crispier. It changes the texture of like the flour and all that stuff for me, and it makes it crispier, but it doesn't change the flavor. It doesn't give it no added flavor. Not to me, it doesn't, but it gives it a little crispy kick. But that's just what I do. So everybody have their own preference. You guys, the final results of my dinner: some french fries and some fried chicken. was that simple. It took about cooking time for both the chicken and fries. I would say about 15 minutes maybe. 20 minutes. I don't know. I didn't even time it. I just cook it till I feel that it's done to my liking. And that was it. So I really can't give y'all a specific time of cooking time because I don't have one. But it's that simple. I fried it in my good old handy dandy cast iron. And by the way, that is my granny's cast iron. My mom gave it to me. Yeah, she gave it to me. And I'm shocked. I wonder why she gave it to me. And to keep her mama's cast iron. But I didn't question it because I love my granny. And it's a memory type thing. I'm using something that she cooked with. So probably when I get to the point where I don't cook no more, I'll pass it on down to my daughter. Keep it in the family, right? That is my meal for tonight. And this will probably end the vlog. Vlogmas day 15. Is it 15? Yeah. Vlogmas day 15. I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this vlog for today. I'm combining 14 and 15 together because I didn't get much footage yesterday and I didn't get much today, but I have enough to just combine them and make day 14 and day 15. And I'm about to go ahead and enjoy my dinner and call it a night. So until Vlogmas day 16, you guys, good night.